This is Zane Goldthorpe with ProWriters, and in this class, we're going to discuss bricking coverage. Bricking in cyber insurance is a type of coverage designed to protect an insured if a cyber attack or data breach renders their computer systems or devices inoperable, essentially turning them into bricks. Bricking coverage typically comes into play when a cyber incident such as malware, ransomware, or denial of service attack causes significant damage to a company's hardware, software, or infrastructure, rendering them non-functional. Many cyber policies exclude the cost of replacing hardware following a security breach, and it is important as an agent that you discuss this coverage with your insured, as it can become a large expense to have to replace hardware after a breach. Finding a carrier who includes bricking coverage in their policy form and endorsements can help save your insured a good chunk of money following an attack. For more information on bricking coverage and to learn how you can better protect your clients, reach out to us at ProWriters anytime.